Hello guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from Appsid. So in this super short video, I will say a few words about the latest updates that we've made on our free site builder. Now the product supports some active components, and the first kit that updated to provide this feature is Vault. So we have here the link on the README. You just need to go here and access the demo. So basically you should see this UI, which is pretty simple. Make sure you clean your local storage, and we have these components. So let's drag and drop this widget, for instance, and also we can use a chart, this one. So basically, this chart is the chart used in the default kit here, and now can be drag and dropped in the builder. So how this works? So basically, we pull the components from the original kit and make them available in the builder, which is pretty cool. Let's add another grid. So we can add here another chart component, which looks nice. Another widget. Let's take this one, and in the end I will just drag and drop some data table that we can use in our projects. So in case anyone wants to customize this, you just need to click here and just update the value. We can see here that the changes are applied instantly, and I think it's pretty cool. So these are the changes. We will update the kit to support more features, and connect the real widgets to databases and real data sources. But this is a work in progress, and for sure we will notify the community once the changes are available. Another thing is to just to download and use the builder in your local system. So basically, if anyone accesses the repository, there are three files here. The CDN version, which uses the default BS5, which is the homepage of Simpllo. Let me show you. So this, basically this interface, which has other components, and the UI is different. But in case anyone wants to play around with the active components, just need to access here this file. Let's execute the file in our local file system. I will just download the file here. Open up the directory and double click, and we can see that the builder now it is loaded from our local file system, and should work as well. Let me drag and drop here. I will add a widget, and also I will add a chart here, and in the end let's add a data table. So we can see that the builder works on our local file system, and this is possible because the builder it's currently using the resources from CDN. Components are pulled from a backend server, so it's nothing using the builder in a local file system, or even integrate the builder into another website or service. Does not require any configuration or other or a compilation step. Let's take a look at the source code. So we can see here that the builder is loaded from CDN. Sources are here, and also the GS part, which is downloaded from also from CDN. We can see here that the builder is initiated to use this backend components, backend server component server, which is the default one, and the UI used and the components pulled locally are from Vol Design from Teamsburg. So guys, let us know what you think. The UI looks pretty minimal right now, but we think we are on a good track, and the builder it's currently under heavy development to add new features and new things based on the community feedback. Thanks again for watching. Adrian here from Appseed, and let us know what you think about the product and how can we improve the code base. Bye guys.